So I went through a couple of issues on this 1961 F100 to get it going. It wouldn't charge was one of the first ones, and I went through two Craigslist expert electricians, and one guy spent like a day and a half trying to figure out why it wouldn't charge. He got me through the ignition switch, but he couldn't figure out how to get it charged, and this is how I solved it. So this truck has been sitting since 2004, and one of the previous owners put a 429 in it, but he ripped out the dash, and all the wiring was pretty mangled from, I guess, the emergency brake. It was all torn up. So once I got past the ignition switch, that was disconnected. All the wires were kind of just hanging, so I didn't know what went where. And that's where the Craigslist electricians kind of got me through that part of it, but they couldn't figure out how to charge it or how to get it charging. So I went through cap, rotor, points, wires, alternator, relay, starter relay up there, battery, and basically what it came down to was on these cars, there's a well, this wiring was pretty mangled up too, so that was some of it, but the real reason why it wasn't charging was this connection right here. This is like a light that goes in the back of your dash. It's like a, I guess, alternator warning light, dummy light, and if this isn't connected, it won't complete your circuit. So the minute I connected a bulb here, because there wasn't anything here, there was just wires hanging, but the minute I connected this, it started charging instantly up to the 14 volts, right around there where it's supposed to be. But that was it.